Would you offer yourself to be used for clinical trials for a new drug? Well, if your answer is no, then you may want to rethink that, because you may be the link to saving more lives in the war against cancer. Charity Mwangi tells us why.
Cancer diagnosis sounds to some as a death sentence. One of the main burdens, aside from the toll of the illness, is the financial one. Families are usually left shouldering huge medical bills, and unfortunately, for a treatment that researchers now say is sometimes flawed from the start.
Research has found that genetic differences in human populations in different parts of the world exist and may influence the course of disease and treatment.
And that began the idea to say that if other ethnicities metabolize drugs differently, what about cancer drugs that come to Kenya? Maybe our patients metabolize them differently. Maybe they have more side effects, less benefits.
Researchers say that Africans' failure to submit themselves to research may be their own undoing. However, Kenyans may have to bite the bullet and participate in life-saving medical research. That opportunity has been presented by the Aga Khan University Hospital that has now launched a clinical research unit.
The government, NHIF, will be able to subsidize to say we will pay for standard of care. Sponsors will be able to say yes, we'll pay for experimental therapy. And then the research part of it will have to be funded in some way by those who are interested in research. So we do not want any of our patients in Kenya not to be able to have access to clinical trials just because they do not have the means. And that is had to be fundamental, a policy, a commitment to our patients.
An estimated 33,000 Kenyans are said to have lost their lives to different types of cancer in 2018, with a further 48,000 having gotten cancer diagnoses in the same year. Charity Mwangi, NTV.